Hey, this is Daryl with sonsofthunderpro.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use the 6 interval concept to create a nice 5-1 chord progression. You can use this in talk music, or you can use it on a song like Thank You Lord or Amazing Grace, and I'm going to demonstrate both in this short to the point video. Let's get started. This is the 6 interval. So the 6, the 1, and then here's the 6. And I'm moving in intervals simply doing this. And then this isn't the only concept you can use with this, but this is one that I like. Where the left hand is going 1, 2, 3, 2, ba 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 ba. This is going 6, 7, 1, 7, ba 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 ba. Ba 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 ba. So where would I use that at? I would use that on the 5. But it's moving in intervals of a 6. So let's say I'm playing Lord, thank you, Lord. Let's see how that was just a nice movement. So thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. There you throw it right here, because you're on that 5. You, Lord. Da, 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 da. You can go to the 5 there. And this isn't part of the movement, but here's that 5 chord just in case you want it. A flat, E flat, G flat, A, C, F. So you can use it on Amazing Grace. So it's just something nice for you to utilize. I hope you enjoyed the training today as we looked at how to take the 6 interval and create a nice 5-1 progression. If you want to learn 25 concepts just like this one, I encourage you to click the link below and check out our concept catalog. We want to give you some concepts that you can add to your playing, that you don't have to sit through hours of training to incorporate. We want to make these videos short, to the point, show you how the application works so that you can apply some of these concepts this Sunday if you need them. So if you're interested in the concept catalog, you want to learn 25 concepts just like this, click the link below and let us get you ready to play in church, on stage, or in the studio. This is Daryl Cook, and I want to thank you for checking this training out. We'll talk to you real soon.